Hello everyone, welcome to Your Class, Your Future YouTube channel. Today, let's discuss 8th standard social science subjects, sociology part, chapter 2nd, culture activities. First, exercises. First main question, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. First question, culture means dash. Answer, cultivate or tend. Culture means cultivate or tend. Second one, custom means dash activities. Answer, aspect of cultural. Custom means aspect of cultural activities. Third question, unity in dash is found in India. Answer, diversity. Unity in diversity is found in India. Fourth question, multiple relationship is found between dash and dash. Answer is culture and society. Multiple relationship is found between culture and society. Fifth question, culture is the dash of transfer of ideas from generation to generation. Answer, medium. Culture is the medium of transfer of ideas from generation to generation. Next, second main question, answer the following in a sentence. First one, what is culture? Answer, the word culture is derived from the Latin word colere. Colere means cultivate or tend in Latin. Culture means the transfer of knowledge, experience, belief, value, behavior, hierarchy, relationship from generation to generation. Next, second question, give examples of cultural diversity present in your neighborhood. Answer, if we observe people in and around us, we can find varieties of people with varieties of dress, language, customs, behavior, values, beliefs, religions and practice, etc. Third question, who divided the culture into two groups? Answer, in order to explain the unique features of culture, Ogburn divided culture into two groups. They are material and non-material culture. Fourth question, what is material culture? Answer, the culture is created by human beings by converting natural resources into man-made structures like house, building, bridge, road, dam, machines, production centers, industries, computer, technology and others as called material culture. Material culture is called civilization. Fifth question, what is non-material culture? Answer, non-material culture means human achievements, traditions, beliefs, ritual, custom, moral values, ideas, literature, art, religion, language, and many others are examples of non-material culture, and it undergoes slow change. Next, third main question. Answer the following in 4-5 sentences. First question. What is a custom? Give examples. Answer. Culture is made up of beliefs, values, rules, social conventions, and morals. These can collectively be called custom. For example, values enable us to determine what is good and what is bad in every culture. Next, second question. Explain the cultural diversity. Answer. Every social group has its own culture. Hence, culture is not uniform. Aspects of culture like customs, moral values, art, belief, language differ from society to society considerably. The difference is also visible in rural, urban, and tribal societies. In food habit, the difference is visible when compared South Karnataka with the North Karnataka. Not only this, even people living in the same place tend to have different culture. Achieving unity in this diversity is important. Third question. Explain the features of culture. Answer. The features of culture are: first one, culture is abstract. Second feature, culture is learnt. Third one, culture is social. Fourth one, culture means coexistence. Fifth point, culture is continuous. And the sixth feature is culture is diverse. Next, fourth question. Culture and society are two faces of the same coin. How? Answer. The social world of humans consists of various societies with numerous human relationships. Culture and society are two faces of the same coin. Culture makes human beings different from other animals. Social controls in a society are based on cultural aspects. The social controls define the human behavior. Every institution regulates the behavior of the individual through its cultural tools. For example, our interactions with elders are guided by culture prevalent in our families and society. Next, fifth question. Explain the features of fair. Answer. The features of fair are: first point, fairs are the most important cultural and rituals of rural societies of India. Second point, people participate in the fairs irrespective of their caste, creed, and language. Fairs reinforce social relationships. Third point, a fair is not only a religious expression, it also functions as a temporary market for the neighboring villages. Fourth point, fairs are also the window for entertainment soon after harvest season. Fifth point, many artisans display their skills here. These displays are also culture expressions. Sixth point, many performers narrate the local versions of Ramayana and Mahabharata. Seventh point, fairs are considered as the motivating aspects of social life. Okay. Next, fourth main question, that is activities. In that first question, you collect the details of fairs that are held in our place from elders. Make a list of its duration, period and other details. Second point, with the help of your teachers, organize programs that depict cultural diversity. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Please like, share and comment this video and subscribe my channel, that is Your Class, Your Future, to watch my upcoming videos. Thank you.